In this video, we're going to learn how to use the with command in R. Some think of the $sign as a typical characteristic of R code. Others consider it ugly and say code is difficult to read. You don't need fancy packages to write code in R that is easy to read. Let's have a look at the with command that is part of base R and sure to run for years to come. With the with command, we tell R which dataset we want to use, and then what we want to do with it, without repeating the name of the dataset and without the $sign in sight. Let's have a look how this works with the built-in iris dataset. So these data are part of every R installation and often used to demonstrate stuff. We have with and the name of the dataset, a comma, and then a command as you would normally use it. Here we have plot and two variables. Or let's do the median. If you have many variables in a command, this can make your code easier to read. Let's see what this can look like in practice. Here I want to calculate the mean over a bunch of variables, Q21 to Q26. I start with, the name of the dataset, and cbind to select just these variables from the dataset. All this is wrapped up in row means to calculate the mean across these variables for each case. I could then put this in a new variable.